don't know. Do I look like Megan Fox? Hi everybody, I'm really excited about today's video! Today's video is this wet look, liquid hair inspired, mermaidy. I just got out the shower. My hair's still wet, but I'm out here. You know, that look. If you'd like to see how I created this look, please keep watching this video. Hi, I'm Ashley Hope, and I'm so excited to bring you all the hair tips. Welcome to my channel. Let's get straight to the hair play and rosé. Do you see this? Do you see this? Why? So, let's talk about this wet look. It's not gonna be wet, but it has to look like it stays wet and never dries. And it's not gonna be my natural texture either. So this is just kind of like rough dried hair, nothing crazy. I just put a little heat protectant in it, a little leave-in conditioner. That's it. It's very, very rough, as you can see. So what I'm gonna do first, and we're gonna do this in layers, but what we're gonna do first is go through with a wand and do a really big loose curl so I have a nice wavy texture going on that looks pretty. It looks like it could be my natural texture. It's not my natural texture. It's way better than my natural texture, but I'm gonna make it look like that's what happens to my hair when it gets wet. You're gonna need some sort of a gel, some sort of a shine spray, and some sort of a serum or oil. Those are the three must-haves. Okay, so today for this look, I will be using Formula 18 Thermal Mist for heat protection and shine serum. Either my shine spray from F18 or this one's an aerosol, the Kenra shine spray. I'm gonna use a lot of it, so I think I'm gonna probably end up using this one more. And then,
it has hold, it has sparkle, it has shine, it has some smoothing abilities.
For this style, I'm going to be curling my hair with my Paul Mitchell detachable wand. This is the 1.5 inch attachment, pretty big. I'm just gonna do nice loose waves. And then I'm gonna finish with a diffuser. So the idea behind this look is
Curl the hair, run the serum through, scrunch in the gel, shine spray, air dry with the diffuser without disturbing the pretty curl that we make. Does that make sense?
It's a lot of steps. If I'm gonna wet it, it's not gonna look very thick. It's probably gonna show some scalp, and it's not gonna have a lot of body. It's gonna be pretty stuck to my head, pretty stringy looking. So that's why we're gonna curl it first, and then I'm gonna use that curl as my support for this style because I don't have any curl of my own. So first things first, I'm just going to generously apply my thermal mist throughout my hair, brush it through, get it all over, make sure it's everywhere. My hair is well protected and we all good to curl. Just gonna brush it through. So now that I have my heat protectant in, I'm going to start with the first section. We are just going to wand. I'm going to finish this row, just alternating directions. So now that I curled this whole bottom section, I am going to run a little serum through. And it can be pretty generous because it's supposed to look wet, so go for it. So once you have your serum in and you've separated the curls a little, see how that already makes it look pretty wet because I used a really generous amount of serum. And then,
Actually, no, it doesn't say magic, but oh no, it does.
Magic, I wasn't lying. It really is. Okay. So can I show you the cool part?
Not the hair that's stuck in the gel. Can you see that it has sparkles in it? Gel serum. It's like a thicker consistency than serum because it's got the gel for hold, but with these sparkles.
So, a good amount. Taking my gel serum and I'm scrunching my waves. This is what's gonna give it the hold It still doesn't look wet enough. Look how pretty that looks already. Okay. I'm going to dry in my gel serum. Low airflow, high heat with my diffuser. Okay. Now you can see the texture we've got going on. And we're gonna give it a generous spray with our Shine Spray. Love that already. Okay, next, take down another section. That first section was my first row. This is my top row, my second row. And I'm just gonna let it down right on top of this one. Okay, let's curl this next section. Still going in alternating directions. Okay, so now we are going to repeat these same steps. Of Shine Spray. Now we're gonna do our last section, which is on the top here. I think I'm gonna go with a side part for this. Yeah, I don't think middle goes really good with the wet look. Middle part, personally. So we're gonna keep it side. I'm gonna try and make it look classy. I'm actually gonna curl this front piece in. So we have those kind of shaken out a little bit. Now that we have our top section curled, more serum. Just running my serum through. Okay. Then once we have our curls where we want them, gel serum this time. I know, it's a lot of product. Listen, this one takes some effort.
You know, it's that effortless look. That's really a lot of effort.
It's that. So on the top, I'm gonna make sure I don't make my hair frizzy. I'm actually gonna go through and kind of piece out the curls a little bit before I scrunch, just to make sure, you know, I get the definition that I want. And the separation. what's next? Guess what? Shine Spray! Now that your wet look is curled, scrunched, you have your serum in and your gel serum in. Your last final spray should be as wet looking as you want it to be for the rest of the night. So I'm gonna start on the ends. Shirt's falling off again. Oh man. And there you have it. If you didn't put enough serum in, that might happen. At the very, very end, if you need to, you can just grab a little extra regular serum, not the gel serum, just the regular serum, and twist it around the ends to make them more pointy and together. And that should do it. Fix this all sideways. Would you wear this? Let me know.
I feel like a mermaid.
This is the final wet look liquid hair. Let me know what you guys think. There's sparkles in here. It looks wet. It's still soft. It smells amazing. But it is so worth it. I've never met another product like you. I will link all the tools and products I used in this video in the description box below. I think it is worth the investment if you are going to wear this look somewhere special or a lot. If you're not and you're just gonna try this once, don't go for the gel serum, just go for any gel that you have at home. I really like it. I love it. I mean, I like it better on Megan Fox. I wish my hair would dry like this.
Damn.
Make sure you like this video if you found it helpful and subscribe to my channel for more hairstyling tutorials and tips. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments section. And thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you give this look a try. And if you do, send me a picture or tag me or shoot me a DM or something because I want to see how it comes out on you. I love you.